Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Designing an outdoor kitchen opens a world of culinary possibilities and creates an inviting space for cooking, dining, and entertaining at fresco. When exploring outdoor kitchen design ideas, it's essential to strike a balance between functionality, aesthetics, and the natural surroundings. Begin by selecting durable weather resistant materials that can withstand outdoor elements while complementing the overall outdoor theme. Incorporating a versatile cooking area complete with a grill, stove, and oven ensures that meals can be prepared effortlessly in the open air, including ample countertop space for meal preparation and serving allows for seamless outdoor cooking experiences. To enhance their ambience, consider ending a stylish dinner area with a sturdy outdoor table and comfortable seating, encouraging gatherings and memorable moments with family and friends. Integrate creative storage solutions such as cabinet drawers or open shelving to keep cooking until slice and ingredients organized and easily accessible. Emphasize the natural beauty of the surroundings by incorporating landscaping and plants around the outdoor kitchen, creating a seamless blend between the built environment and nature to make the space more comfortable and inviting. Installing shade structures like pergolas or awnings can provide relief from the sun on hot days. Finally, adding outdoor lighting fixtures such as string lights, lanterns, or built-in LEDs can extend the usability of the kitchen into the evening, creating an enhancing atmosphere for outdoor lighting, dining, and entertainment by combining practicality, aesthetics, and add a touch of nature. Outdoor kitchen design offer a perfect way to elevate the outdoor living experience and make us cherish memories in the mindset of the nature's splendor. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.